Today we will see how to make an e-commerce website to expand your business. From this website you will be able to expand your business. And by using this website you can do your business very easily. So let's see it's working. Title. Login and sign up. Search bar. Item. You can add more items by changing the code. Item category. Social media platform links. Now let's sign in. You have to fill all the details correctly. Email ID is optional, but you can do IT necessary. We have successfully signed in. This is cart which have 0 items. This is information which we can change. Adding item to cart. This is order summary. Proceeding to checkout to pay money. This is promo code where you can enter code to get discount. Now we have to fill the address. Payment options. Thus we have not filled the address, so this have come. Now you need to fill correctly and proceed to checkout to order material.